Cuba, Jamaica, Bahamas capital is Nassau, Haiti, Dominica Republic, Turks and Caicos Islands, Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So you saw the previous video about these flags, not the previous video that I just forgot it now. So in the last video, you remember what we done in last video? We did the flags of Mauritius and Mozambique. Okay, we'll open the colors, then we will see the stickers. Would I show you magic? You see paper coming out of here. That's good paper. It's Mr. Sticky actually. Now, we should not do this one. Let's do it later actually. No. Wait, Mr. Wait, number 3 has gone. There you naughty boy, hiding from me. Come on. My two good countries, Belize and Dominica. Did you know something? Dominica is the only country that doesn't have a national flag, and Dominica is the only country that has purple in their flag. Did you know that, friends? Where should we start? Let's see. Well, let's start with the easy one, Dominica. What is the base number? I will put it a bit aside. Well, you could sit here. You could stay here. I said don't call Mister. That's okay. Okay. First country was Dominica. First was 47. Mr. 47. It's 2 pages. I said well. You see Dominica? It said here. Mr. Dominica, could you get out? Oh. Okay, let's take the sticker right here. The white should come out. Don't forget the rules about that. Well, no. That's okay. Well, very good. Now, first color. Okay, where was I? Yes, I was in Dominica. Wasn't I? It is yellow R30T. Okay. You think this is the European Union flag, but not this bird thing. Here is outside what the yellow stars, but this is not the European Union. Here is red and here is green in the stars. Well, this P81 is done. But that was really my purple color. Yellow 27. Where should we color? Yes. Here and on the beak. Okay. Now this will go on this small wood. Okay. Okay. Dominica's capital is Rosario. Language is English. That's okay. I know I want to speak English. Not language, currency. It is ECD, means for the Eastern Caribbean dollar. The currency is ECD. Okay. Right now I am here. I will travel all the way from swim and in the Atlantic, go to the United States, go to Mexico, and I will swim more. And this was Dominica, isn't it? Right here, but it must be not the name. I got one more map. For this globe, I will firstly see with magnifying glass. I don't see it. When I couldn't find it in this globe, and I tried, don't use the magnifying glass, I could find it. I have this book. I bought it from Amazon. Amazon. Apla Dukan. All about the world. Encyclopedia. It is from Dimlat. It's the quality. This is Dominica. I know I seen somewhere. Oh, it must be in here. I know that. Yes, Dominica is in North America. I could say. Now let's see where is it. In the Caribbean. You see the Caribbean? I just saw it somewhere. So friends, you know where is Dominica really? It is in the Caribbean. You see the whole Caribbean with the islands. Could I name all of the islands? I will need one small stick for that. Well, whatever. I will use my diamond pen. Cuba, Jamaica, Bahamas capital is the South. Haiti, Dominica Republic, Turks and Caicos Islands, Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands, Dominica, Guadeloupe, Antigua and Barbuda, British Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico. There's one more island far away. You see it? Please could you turn here? The Galapagos Islands. But that's not in the Caribbean. That is from Ecuador. Okay. Bye friends, and thank you friends. Don't forget to press the bell icon button. Ding dong. Look at this. Now the bird comes. Ding dong.